Hi, I'm Susie from the Land O'Lakes Culinary Center. We know you have probably seen our video on how to heat and hold cheese sauce dip cups. And if you haven't, go check it out. But we heard you may have more questions about our cheese sauce dip cups as well as our shelf-stable cheese sauce pouches. So we wanted to talk a little more about them with you. We all love the ease of use, flavor, and versatility of these products. And we want to make sure you have the tools you need to get your questions answered in a timely manner. So, whether you refer to this video, reach out to us on Facebook, call our customer concerns line, or reach out to your sales or broker representative, we are here for you and all of your questions. We love our cheese sauce dip cups, and we know kids and staff love them too. Whether you need 12 or 200, they are easy to add to bentos, field trip lunches, supper offerings, and are smart snack approved. Even though we all know what a great and easy product this is to have in stock, we still get a few common questions, so we wanted to hash those out for you now. How many times have you had your shelf-stable cheese sauce dip cups or cheese sauce pouches arrive on a refrigerated truck? We heard this is pretty common, and it creates confusion for staff. Or, have you ever wondered if you can freeze the cheese sauce or cheese sauce cups? Hang tight! We've got some answers for you. If your sauce arrives refrigerated, don't worry. You can simply place it in your dry storage area. No need to take up valuable refrigerator space. Besides, keeping the cheese sauce pouches refrigerated will only make it more difficult to remove the cheese sauce from the pouch. But what about freezing? This is a little more complicated. When it comes to freezing, we do not recommend it for the cups. Not only can the texture and quality of the product be affected, but the cup itself is not freezer safe and could crack in the freeze-thaw cycle. A broken cup could mean food safety issues, so we recommend avoiding the freezer altogether. What about if you don't use the full pouch of cheese sauce after you've already heated it? No worries, just cool the product according to your county HACCP guidelines. Product may be reheated only once. Or you can use the sauce in a cold recipe application like chilled pasta salads. Just make sure the product gets used and consumed within 7 days after it's been initially opened for food safety. Now, what about if you heated the pouch but didn't end up using it? No problem. Unopened pouches that have been heated should be used within 7 days. If returning to dry storage, don't forget to date the pouch so that it is the first one used when you are ready to prepare it again. Oh, and we recommend reheating the product only once. Another common question about cheese sauce is, why is there a skin on my cheese sauce? Our cheese sauces use dairy products, are high in protein, and are suitable to use as a meat alternate. Skin formation is something that occurs naturally in quality cheese sauces. If you have used other cheese sauces that don't form a skin, they may not be suitable as a meat alternate, as they have a lower cheese content. Also, the ingredient decks will likely be longer than what you find in Land O'Lakes cheese sauces. We hope you found some answers to your questions in this short video. Please check us out on our website, on Facebook, or on our YouTube channel for more creative recipes and inspiration.